Hello, everybody, and welcome to your weekly tarot energies. Here's the prediction for the week of October 12th to October 18th, 2020. Aries. It's time to tap into all the gifts and talents that you've put on the back burner and bring them to the forefront. You have great authority and capability at this point, so don't doubt yourself. Remove that hidden potential and display it at the workplace. Debates, negotiations, contracts, agreements all go smoothly and all in your favor this week, Aries. If you feel like you're burning out and you're slogging and there's too much hard work, keep going, because all of this is going to be worth it and you are going to see the fruits of your labor very soon. Take a very participatory role this week on the work front, be it in team meetings, be it contributions, sharing your opinions, connecting with people, because you are going to be noticed and it's a good time for you to share your opinions and ideas. Don't suppress your opinions or any confrontational feeling with somebody, least it comes out in the form of a volcanic eruption. You're the verge of great expansion and this great life force sort of energy flows through you. You are spiritually charged as well, so make sure you ask, share, connect, analyze, talk, innovate this week on the work front, and don't let anything hold you back. In summary, tap into your hidden potential, communicate openly and freely with people around, and know that all the hard work is going to be worth it. Have a fantastic one. Taurus. Know that all your needs are going to be, taken care of. Just keep going forward in life. Your life is intensifying and escalating to the next stage. So be it love, abundance, career, jobs, promotions, all of it is in store for you. Keep going forward and do not get distracted or let anything hold you back. It's the time to put in concentration at the workplace and just achieve the dreams that you've set out for yourself. If you are, running a team or in a leadership position, just ensure that all departments of the organization are on the same page and everyone's operating in sync. For results to come out smoothly. Question assumptions, strategies, motives, style of working, ideas, campaigns, everything right now, so you bring out the best forward out of yourself and out of your team members. Keep going over ideas over and over again until you are not fully satisfied. Some of you may want to shift jobs or are looking at a career change this time around. Well, you can go ahead. Be careful, but that does not mean you have to be timid. You can go and connect with people on professional networking platforms. You can put your needs out there, but just do your research and know what is it that you're looking for. Double check any contracts, documents and paperwork just to be on the safe side. A powerful period of success waits for you, Taurus. It's a fantastic week. In summary, move forward with confidence, attention to detail, and an expansion of your life to the next stage waits for you. Have a fantastic one. Gemini. Something exciting is around the corner, Gemini. Something or someone from the past, something that you may have overlooked or thought is mundane, holds the answer to your questions this week. And this, this sort of aspect that you had thought is boring and can do no good to you is actually the new opportunity that could make itself present to you. This energy will manifest itself when you're ready to take your blinders off and see from a different perspective. The universe is wanting to give you something new, but you need to be ready and open to receive. Don't be lulled into complacency at the workplace. Be willing to try new ideas or work in a different way. Support from colleagues and people around you is very, very much active at this time. So, just do things in a fresh and exciting way so life doesn't become stagnant for you. Careers in the field of healing, coaching, spirituality, farming, anything to do with veganism, organic products, education, workshops, and wellness have the ability to take off at this time. Reactivating old networks, old friendships, long lost connections, and getting in touch with people who were a part of your tribe but aren't anymore. These things have a major payoff this week. It will shake things off, it will give you a new perspective, it will stop life from being stagnant. So pick up the phone and reach out to people from the past, get connecting, be open to people who want to enter from the past Of course, I'm talking about the productive and healthy connections that you've had in the past. Be open to, letting them into your world. This is a week to think with your heart and your gut and not so much your mind. So, if you've ever had an idea and you thought, hey, I should listen to my heart on this, right now is the time to do that. It's a bright and pleasant time. Once you get out of the stagnancy, your wit is, ready to move and bring ideas, and you have this flash of genius that is waiting to come out within you. So let channel that aspect within you and let it shine. The answers to your questions in the present are linked to someone or something in the past. So keep your eyes and ears open to that. In summary, old is gold, reactivating old networks, acquaintances, friendships, and spiritual fulfillment in a time of happiness once you move past the stagnancy. Have a fantastic one. Cancer. Change is feeling frightening to you, instead of looking at them as blessings in disguise, which is what they truly are. I feel like you're getting, held up and overwhelmed. Just know that even if you can't see what lies ahead, you are being pushed towards an upward movement in your life, and things can only get better here on, Cancer. Organizations that you are associated with are likely to be in a desperate solution seeking mode, or they are going to, change the way they do things. They want to be in a revamp mode to defer the unwise decisions that have been made in the past. It's not so much about the new for you this week, Cancer, as much as it is learning from the old and eliminating the old, that which does not serve you anymore. Let things unfold the way they are. I feel some of these events are out of your control, so there's no point holding on and having a script in your head of how things should pan out. Everything is happening in a very destined manner. Go with what you feel rather than what you think. Destiny is at play here, so there's not much you can do. So if you are seeing upheavals at the workplace, sudden and shocking changes, just let it flow, because it's propelling you forward, and it's not going to be bad for you. It's only going to bring out the best of you. You are being guided in a wondrous direction, Cancer. In summary, something must fall for something to build. Blessings in disguise and fated events of which you have no control. So just enjoy the ride. Have a fantastic one. Leo. Gifts from the universe are trying to cascade in your life. Material wealth is going to make its way to you. But I feel like what's been happening with you, Leo, is that money, streams of incomes, ideas, stability it's not been constant. It's been in ebbs and flows, which means it comes and goes. But as you stay more open to believing that you deserve abundance, I feel this sort of fluctuation will lessen, and things will remain in your life for a longer period in a more stabilized and a constant manner. If you're waiting on movement on certain projects or commitments or offers or conversations, movement is going to happen, but it's not going to be in the manner that you are imagining. So be open, have an open mind, and just prepare to be unprepared, because you never know what comes up. But it's going to be exciting for you. It might throw you off your game a little bit, but it's going to keep things very interesting for you, and it might take you by surprise. So keep the wonder in life going. Any work related to international markets, be it international clients, projects, anything to do with a foreign language, travel, all of those will bear fruit at a later date. So the initiation of these aspects can begin now. You're trying to juggle too many projects at once. There's too much on your plate, a lot of responsibilities on the office front, on the work front, and the home front. Try and choose balance, and with all of these chores that are on your plate, your day-to-day life, make it interesting, make it playful, try and enjoy and make the most of it. Abundance, health, vitality, joy, success, accomplishments, and achievements on the work front, they all are in store for you. If only you just open your heart a little bit, to more acceptance and receiving with gratitude, and just put complaints at bay. Anything that you feel you need to change, look at it as a lesson and a blessing in your life, instead of trying to find faults with it. In summary, Multiple projects and responsibilities on your plate right now, so make the most of it and make it fun. Be open to receiving, and then steady growth and flow of abundance will come to you. And take a more playful approach. Have a fantastic one. Virgo. Just because things are not worked out in the past, or there has been a pattern of something that has been falling apart, that does not mean it has to continue. Things are going to sort of take a different turn going forward. Fully immerse yourself in the here and now, Virgo, and just forget what has not worked out in the past, or the career moves and decisions that you've made that you regret, or that things you could have done differently. Let it all go. Acumen for business, closing deals, winning contracts, all of it is in your favor. Ambition with intellect takes you far and wide. Also, consistency and a slow approach is what is required right now. You don't need to speed on events. You need to go one step at a time. Make sure you don't look back and keep going forward. Work in a very ethical manner this week, so follow company guidelines, rules, principles, morals. A very straightforward, honest and ethical approach is going to work for you this time around. If you are thinking of taking a shortcut at work, or sort of putting someone down, you don't have to take that route. Stick to the rules. And if you are feeling competitiveness with someone at the workplace, or you have a point to prove, know that by by taking the moral road, victory is assured and it is going to be yours. The light is going to shine on you, and people will also respect you. Patience, not impulse, is going to be in your best interest right now. Maintain grace under all the pressure you're feeling, and you're going to tackle all problems very easily. In summary, consistency is the name of the game. Your ambitions are on the rise. Take a slow and steady approach and stick by the rules. Have a fantastic one. Libra. Shake off this feeling of powerlessness that you've been carrying on for weeks now, and just go dive right in with fortitude. You've been longing for a change in certain areas of your life, especially your career, for a while now, and it's building up frustrations in you. But know that the reign of control lies in your hand. Even though things on the outside are taking time to align, make sure you are aligned within. Decide what is it that must transform, what are the changes you want to make, and just go right for it, Libra. You have these self-imposed hesitancies, which I think you have the power to break free from. So don't double guess yourself. Don't have these self-imposed, restrictions and limiting thoughts. You are so hard on yourself. Just love yourself a little more. Just pat yourself on the back for how far you've come in your career. Create opportunities to display your capabilities rather than waiting for them to arrive. You pick up the phone and reach out to maybe a recruiter if you're looking for a new job, or someone if you want to network. Put yourself out there. Go beyond predictable behavior, Libra. Just because something has been done a particular way all this while doesn't mean it needs to continue. Shake off the rut. Success may be slow right now because it's a transient phase in your life that will eventually lead you to success and fulfillment. In the meanwhile, be wild, be carefree, be unpredictable. Work on yourself, invest in yourself, and sort of be the best version of yourself that you can. It's a wonderful opportunity that this time is presenting you with. In summary, choose what you want to transform and go for it. You have the freedom to change, so take the reins of life in your control. Release all the self-imposed thoughts, limiting beliefs and attitudes that you have been carrying with you. It's a great time for that. Have a fantastic one. Scorpio. I feel like too many options are surrounding you right now, and they're mostly luring you into false or fake promises. If a current job, venture, project, association is not giving you satisfaction, Scorpio, you can let it go, you can release it. If you want to quit, you can. But make sure you do this only after you've planned and secured your next moves. So take a sensible approach this week. If it's about people and associations, sometimes judgments get cloudy. In such moments, don't take the emotional route. This is a week where Scorpio, you have to channel your most practical, authentic, logical, mind. So you are secured and you make the best moves for yourself. Choices that you make now should be clear, transparent. Everything should be on the table. There should be nothing hidden or concealed. Which is why you need to examine offers very carefully right now. Focus on what is really true, what is real, and how the two get confused with each other. Only you know what is true for you. Focus and go after those things. If you're looking at diving into a new venture or some fresh ideas, plan them correctly. They will require a great deal of fleshing out. It's not ready to be launched yet. Chase realistic goals and set priorities in order. This approach will show results, Scorpio. In summary, planning should precede action. Wishful thinking is a no-no. And logic over emotions in all your decisions. Have a fantastic one. Sagittarius. This is a week of being passive and not active. So, participate and share your opinions at work, in team meetings. Put your thoughts out there only when asked and if needed. There are some hidden secrets or business affairs or something going on in your office or the work front that you don't have the full knowledge of. Some things are concealed right now. There is more going on than meets the eye, Sagittarius. So be vigilant and just take a safe approach this week. Teams that have smart leaders and leaders who know how to do their jobs, those do well. Otherwise, there can be a lot of chaos in organizations. There could be things falling apart, things that need restructuring. No matter what's happening on the office front, work front, business front, be loving and kind to your colleagues, partners, and everyone around you. This is not a time to sort of pick up an argument because things can get really hostile. Like I said, take the safe approach. Assertiveness with politeness is a better role you can play rather than aggression and stubbornness. So if you don't agree with an opinion or a viewpoint of your colleague or someone you work with, use your words carefully. Don't go out and blurt exactly what you're feeling. Just be a little vigilant, a little calm, to get your way out. If you're looking at launching a new product, a new service, a new venture, changing jobs, now is not the time. Take this time to R&D, research, sort of re-evaluate, realign, restructure everything that needs to be revisited. This is a wonderful time for that. What's working for you this week, Sagittarius, is your intuition. It's at an all-time high. So if you feel something is not right, it probably is not. If you feel something is too good to be true, it probably is. So be sure to tune in with your own self. Don't listen to anyone else but yourself this week, Sagittarius. In summary, you don't have the full picture at a certain workplace or in a certain situation. There's more going on than meets the eye. Trust people conservatively. So I would say stick to people who are part of your tribe, your loved ones, the colleagues or people you work with very closely. Stick to them. And you're highly intuitive, so make the most of that. Have a fantastic week. Capricorn. It's a week where you can experiment, or create something completely out of the ordinary, something that's not even related to your profession or your field of work. So if you are thinking of higher studies or education or picking up a course just because you've been wanting to and it has nothing to do with your profession, go for it. If you want to upskill yourself in your particular chosen field of career or profession, it's a great time to immerse yourself in studies. You can take up a new training program and polish your existing skills, which will benefit going forward in your career. Spread new ideas, socialize, connect, make new friends, and just put yourself out there as much as possible this time around. If there is a new venture that you are seeking guidance on, the venture will gather momentum and it will pick up in direct proportion to the amount of hard work you put in. Growth and productivity is favorable for you, Capricorn, especially in the fields of art and anything to do with creativity. Find some means to celebrate, Capricorn, because life is warm and you have all the comforts that you need. In summary, upskill and put your time in further education, polish your skills. Change is on the horizon. It might feel uncomfortable, but something out of the ordinary or something exciting could come out. And life is warm, fuzzy, and comfortable right now, so make the most of it. Have a fantastic one. Aquarius. Get moving, Aquarius. Even if you're not 100% on some idea, or even if you're not fully sure on something, it's not a time to pause and think. It's a time to just go for it and get moving. With determination and confidence, even the things that you're not sure of, you can convert into a very sort of fruitful outcome for yourself. The time to deliberate, overanalyze, overthink is behind you. Is the time to take powerful, positive action towards your goals. Triumph and rewards are around the corner. Delays end and things start moving very quickly now. You'll be surprised once you decide and set your mind on something, how quickly the universe brings those things in action for you. Your eagerness and enthusiasm is going to shine through at work. You can make things more interesting on the workplace as well. Engage people, engage teams, take the lead on take some initiative, to plan something with your colleagues, or to bring more momentum, stability, and enthusiasm to the workplace. This is a phase of completion, actually, more than new beginnings. So if there's anything that's pending on your to-do list, get ticking on it, because you will have the power to get through and complete all your tasks. Payments owed will be settled. Arguments will go in your favor. They will have a peaceful resolution as well. Great ideas and outcomes will see the light of the day. But right now, just look at what needs to be finished and then go to something that you want to begin from scratch. It's a very auspicious time, bringing with it fast-paced activity, but yet a peaceful atmosphere. So make the most of these very productive times that are shining upon you. In summary, delays are over, things move at a great speed. Ventures and projects will be successful, and if anything that's pending will be finished and will get closure. Courage and determination are the key words for you, and they'll see you through all the challenges that you might face. Have a fantastic one. Pisces. You can weather just about anything on the work front, on the career front, or even on the personal front right now, Pisces. You have some great protection of the universe that is flowing through you. Great wisdom is expanding within you, and others also take notice of this. Your personality is really shining through on the work front. Guard and protect your financial assets, be it land, property, anything on the home front, documents, papers, contracts at work. Everything should be in order right now, and you should have a clear perspective of what's going on and what's written on each of the documents or the dotted line. Synergies is the key word for you this week. Find like-minded people who you can get along with, relate with, who share your vision, who share your goals. You do have the energy of the leader this week, Pisces. Even if you are not a leader by designation at the workplace, you carry that aura with you this time. You're very brave and fearless, and you can achieve almost anything you set your mind to this time around. You have the ability to convince people on the work front. You are witty, charming, and there's just this exuberance about you that everyone's going to take notice of. If you have to convince people at the work front, you are persuasive, you are eloquent, you have the right communication skills, the right words, and people will listen to you. Think of harmony, reconciliation, teamwork, and working together in tandem with everyone. Don't get arrogant, don't get competitive. Be that graceful leader that everyone will look up to. It's a great time to sort of pick up the pieces and consolidate what you've already begun or what already exists, sort of solidify on your plans. In summary, cooperation and harmony and partnerships do you well. You've got the power and the magic touch this week. And safeguard all your assets and read paperwork very carefully. Have a fantastic one.